free audio library.
Subscribers and viewers, welcome back to this channel. So in this video, I'm simply going to show you people how to actually browse on the internet and have a good internet speed. Okay, you need a good bandwidth to be able to do a lot of things on the internet. Okay, and it's actually very depressing and frustrating if you are using the internet and it's very slow. And I'm going to show you a number of factors you should take in consideration whenever you are using the internet. First of all, when you are using the internet, you're on the web page, you will often see a lot of advertisements that goes on your web browsers. Now most of these advertisers also pulls your bandwidth, because these are mostly streaming websites. Okay, I wanted to show you how some of these things works. Okay, you will often see streaming, advertisements going on whilst you're browsing. They are actually one of the reasons why you could also have slow internet. So for you to do this, for you to be able to have smooth internet browsing, you need to often go in for ad blocks, advertisement blocks, and you can get them on any browser's extension. They are often part of the browser's extensions. So example, I want to go to YouTube. If I don't have Adblock on my web browser, obviously I'll be seeing certain advertisement that comes with the page I want to visit, and it's sometimes frustrating. Okay, so in a simple way, for you to be able to block advertisements from intruding into your browsing, okay, where it will also be pulling bandwidth from your data and sometimes might slow your internet, this is what you should do always. So in this case, I'm using Mozilla Firefox. Okay, so locate your extension is right here, more tools. Okay, extension for developers, it's open up here, and then at this page you find or you search for Adblock. There are number of ad blocks you can actually go in for. So in this case, this is what they are recommending for me. So this is an ad block I want to download and then install. But mind you, there are certain ad blocks which are really not effective, and most of these advertisements are able to bypass them. Okay, so in this case I've downloaded it. Currently it's working, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how this thing works. So let me refresh this page. Let me just refresh. Right, so I guess it's working currently, though we have one or two advertisements, and this is often on this is actually done on the hosted website. So let me check other websites and see how this thing is going to work. Block elements and all those things. Okay, have this enhanced tracking protection is on for this site cookies. So these are all other third-party sites that are actually tracking your browsing, and you can actually block them from tracking you, accept cookies. So I have this here and I'm able to browse. Protection is on. Okay, you can go all the way and change the settings of this to suit what you intend to. Okay, you can just feature them here. I mean, you can edit them at this portion. You can whitelist certain sites you don't want them to be blocked. Okay, so we have numerous, we have a lot of them. Let's check for other ones. Okay, so example, Adblock blocker. Let's try this one. There are a lot of them. You just have to choose the right one. Okay, so I've added it. Alright, so let me try visit a website. Okay, so this is what I wanted you guys to see. I guess this wasn't really effective after all. So I'm removing this extension and I'm leaving the new one. So as you can see, it has been able to block about 12 advertisements, third-party advertisement sites that wanted to come up on this particular website I've opened. You see, so I don't have any advertisements running up here. So as you can see, blocked on this page, 12 domains connected, 8 out of 13 blocked since installed. You see, so these are some of the things it does, and you can actually do your editing according to how you want them to look like. You see, so it gives you details. Click to disable cosmetic filtering on this site. Click to block remote fonts on this site. Click to disable JavaScript on this site. These are other options that are open for you. Let me check here again and see if I can still see my website. Okay, so it has been able to block this site as well for me. And you can see the number of blocked sites, the domain, the blocked since installed. Okay, so basically this is one of the ways you can actually use to enhance your browsing experiences on online. The next thing we need to talk about is, you know, sometimes we have certain background programs that are running and are utilizing your internet as well. These programs can also affect your browsing experiences, and you might have slow internet. So in this case, let's say Opera web browser is the one utilizing the internet and I'm not actually using it, so you just have to close it or exit it. Okay, the same way goes to any so this affects any other background program you are using that utilizes internet. In case you know you are not using that particular program or software, you can just exit it from your taskbar. Okay, so basically this is ways by which you can actually have a nice, good experience whilst using your internet. So as you can see, I don't have unnecessary advertisements going on here. All I have is on this page, and you are good to go. But if I disable this, okay, and I refresh it, it will come up with other websites. I mean other advertisements. Example, these are some of the advertisements that comes with it. Okay, if I refresh this, you see them come up. Alright, so let me go to YouTube. I just want you folks to see how this application works. Okay, so I open up this. You see, so it's kind of, I'm not really enjoying the internet as it's supposed to be, but if I enable this, it's able to filter and block all other third-party advertisement sites that are linked up to this, the website I want to visit. Okay, so it's blocked, and if you come here, you are able to see details of those blocked sites, their domains, and the time they were blocked. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll be coming up with more videos concerning technology, its uses, and how securely we can actually use them. Thank you for watching.
Free audio library.